Hello, it's me again, Charmaine Thomas, and I'm with Indoz Tv. I am in the heart of Brisbane City today at City Hall, and I am here for the inaugural Empowering Migrants Expo. This is a fabulous expo. I'm just waiting to go in and see what it's all about. From what I understand, the expo is all about promoting diversity and empowering the migrant community in Queensland, which is a very large one indeed. If you're ready to explore with me, let's get going. Team Indoz at the inaugural Migrant Immigrant Expo. I have Rashpalji and Satpalji with me. Rashpalji, can you tell us a little bit about how this expo has come around and what role you and we as Team Indoz are playing in it today?
Okay, Sharmeen, I had a call from Abhishek,
yes,
who's the president of the Bharatiya Samaj. Now, this is the inaugural event. And this is for empowering the migrants who have migrated from different parts of the world and calling themselves Australians, or they call Australia home. Okay? It is the first time it's happening in the city centre, in the town hall. And very impressive. I have seen there are quite a few people from different countries who have set up their stalls and they're representing their country. It is a great event. It gives us an opportunity to go and meet different people from different backgrounds, from different religions, from different parts of the world. It's a great, I think, it's a good moment, a good time to go and visit them, talk to them, and see what they have to say, and how they assimilate it, or what they think of Australia as their new home.
Absolutely. I think Queensland is known to hold wonderful multicultural events. Satpalji, how are you feeling today? Aapko kaise lag raha hai?
Yeah, very good today. It's nice to see everyone today, and look like very nice, and we see it all around the shop here. I think that's very good.
Have you had a walk around? Can you? Is there any stall that particularly stands out to you today?
Now we just walk in. We are going to do walk around. We just stick away. We have look what we can do.
Absolutely. I hope you both have a fantastic time at the expo today. There are stalls. There are Indian stall, Chinese, Vietnamese, Turkish, you name it. They're here representing their culture, as you said. Fabulous showcase. Wonderful to be here. And that is us from Team Indoz.
Thank you so much, Sharmeen.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
We are at the Indian stall now, and I want to take this opportunity and introduce Rekha, Bondata, and little Anisha here. Anisha, I just want to say that was a beautiful rendition of the Australian national anthem that you and your friend did up on. Oh, yes.
My elder daughter.
Oh, your sister, sorry, that you and your sister did up on stage. That was fantastic. Can you tell us a little bit about what you are here for? What are you representing?
So we are here for the expo, the Migrants Expo, and today we are representing Bharat,
Yes.
Which is India, and we have tried to display some Indian instruments, and this is called the harmonium, which is kind of a Western piano. But this doesn't need any kind of electricity. Indians are very smart, you know. So they just thought about it. They can take it with them wherever they go. It just needs wind. And Anisha can demonstrate a little bit. This is how we play it. We don't need any kind of electricity. We don't have to rely on anything for that. And we have another instrument here is the bamboo flute. And these are, again, very handy instruments. You don't need anything, no battery. You just play it on the go. And this is tabla, which is Western drums. So this is made of goat skin. So if I talk about it, it will take a whole long day, you know. So we are representing the music a little bit here. We are from Sargam Music Academy, and we have lots of things to say. India is very colorful. I have my friend Rekha here with me if she wants to add something.
No, just here to represent India, or Bharat as we've called it. So I'm married to a Punjabi and I'm a South Indian myself, so I'm a mixture of culture as it is, as are my girls who've disappeared.
Now that's wonderful, and I think that's what represents true India. It doesn't matter which part of India you're from, or where you're from, where you grew up, who you married, how you married. It doesn't matter. We're all Indian at the end of the day. That was a fantastic representation of what you're doing. Congratulations on Sargam Academy. I think you guys do a fabulous job. And of course, the harmonium. No electricity, no Wi-Fi, no need to be hi-fi. Wonderful. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the rest of the day at the expo, and we'll see you around. Thank you. I have with me Shilpa Madan, who is a visitor here at the expo. Shilpa, what brings you here today, and what do you think of what's happening today?
Well, I think it's great what's happening here. They've got quite a few cultures that they're showcasing, so I'm quite enjoying myself just walking around and having a look as to what's happening. So I'm looking forward to it.
And you've come here with your kids as well. Is there something that's happening here for the kids?
There is a little bit happening for the kids. They've got a Spider-Man, they've got an Elsa, and they've got face painting. So they've got their arms full, their faces are full, everything is full. They've got balloons in their hands, so they're very happy.
What is Spider-Man doing here?
That's questionable. I think he's just walking around, filling up some balloons. But hey, the kids are happy.
Absolutely, that's what matters. Thank you so much, Shilpa. Enjoy the rest of the day at the expo. We are now at the Ethiopian stall, and I have with me Ujunu and Kuwat. I hope I got your names right. Tell us what brings you here today, and what about Ethiopian culture are you representing?
We representing Ethiopia. We are from Anuak culture, and Anuak means unite. Yeah, and we normally unite when there is like dancing and all of those stuff. Yep. Yeah. Thank you.
That's wonderful. And have you had a good experience at today's expo?
Yeah, I love it because it's like changing of culture. You see different faces, different culture, and it's good. Yeah.
And do you find many people are quite curious about Ethiopian culture?
Yeah, it's really good. It's really, I see like everybody is taking their culture very important. Yeah, and that's really good. Yeah, and nice, and everybody's happy. Yeah.
Well, wonderful. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. With Ivana, who is part of the Czech and Slovakian stall. What are you doing today? Your stall looks absolutely fabulous.
Thank you, Shamina. So we representing Czech and Slovak culture. It's formerly known Czechoslovakia, but we split in 1993. It was like a velvet divorce, so we're still friends, as you can see. And we're sharing our stall. We have lots of craft from Slovakia and Czech Republic, all made by kids from our Czech and Slovak school, by their moms, and as well members of Czechoslovakian club. So yeah, lots of traditional stuff, as the breads and bookmarks.
That's beautiful. I'm curious about these onions or shallots. So what are they doing here? Is it just decoration, or is it something to do with the rest of everything that's displayed here?
They are decoration, or they used to be traditionally in our houses back home. They used to be hanging on the walls, and they use it as a decoration. There's always lots of kind of, we'll call them myths now, but and traditions why to have vegetables and, and stuff hanging and drying, sometimes to just to get the bad spirits to go away and so on. But now it's just an example of what we have from the culture.
I think the old wife tales are something that we all got to live by. I have heard that onions are really good to hang in the house when you have a cold or cough, and maybe that's one of the things, but they called it spirits back in the day.
Definitely, and I still do it for my children, that I cut up the onion and leave it in a kitchen so it stays. Yeah.
Right, that's fabulous. I mean, it's nice to know people are still doing that. Once again, your stall looks great. Have you had many people of the community visit you today?
Yes, it's and it's getting busier and busier. we will be as well performing, so we are very soon will go on stage and show off our dance as well, traditional dance, and hopefully there will be even more community people coming.
Absolutely, and that reminds me, you guys look really nice, very cute. Absolutely love it. We can't wait to see your performance. Enjoy your day, enjoy your performance, and we'll catch you around.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. I am here at the stall of AMS Synergy Group Real Estate, and I have with me Abraham. Abraham, can you tell me what are you doing here and what has the morning been like?
Our morning has been fantastic. It's a multicultural, event. We're seeing a lot of people from everywhere, communicating with them, serving them, providing our service as a real estate agency, helping them, talking to them, finding about them, seeing how we can contribute. If you're not here, you got to be here. If you're not attending this event, you got to come next year. It's fantastic.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for that, Abraham. And are you here just as a marketing event for your real estate firm?
Marketing is one thing, but also as a contribution. People need to know where the services are. Multicultural is the people from every other cultural society. They find it difficult to connect. So we want to be here right in front of them, show them we care. That's why we're here.
Absolutely, and we do care. Thank you so much, Abraham. I hope you have a fantastic morning connecting with people from different communities, and we will see you around. Malaysian and Singaporean booth here. I have Marianne Tan and Fauzia with me. These dolls look absolutely fascinating. They are not our regular Barbies. Tell me more about it.
Okay. These dolls actually represent the traditional costumes in Malaysia, because we've got three main races in Malaysia: the Chinese, the Malays, and the Indians. And when they intermarry, this is where the interesting thing, we have the costumes of them. Like this one here, for example, this is called the Chitty wedding. This is where the Indian married to a Chinese. It's called a Chitty wedding.
Right.
Okay? And then when it's the Chinese married to a Malay, because back in the 15th century or 14th century, the Chinese used to come as traders to Malacca. And when they come by the monsoon weather.
Yeah.
So they have to wait for the monsoon to blow them back to China. So while waiting, they intermarry with the locals there. And so what you have now is called the Straits Bond or Peranakan. See? And so this is the Peranakan. This is the Straits Bond wedding gown itself.
Right.
All right, in Malacca, and that is for the Chinese tea ceremony. The other two is dressed in Malaysian flag. The one here is actually the bride, Nyonya in the kebaya, which is the. Plus all these, it's Malays from different states. That's the wedding gowns. These are all wedding costumes that they wear, except for this big one. So how it came about was because Adrian, the designer, Adrian Ong, he was a designer, and I told him to, why not, I started a charity, and so we were receiving Barbie dolls and all, and they were naked and all that. So I said, why don't you try and dress them up? And so this is what you see is just a sample of what he has done. Beautiful.
Absolutely fascinating.
This is the pokok manga, isn't it? Yeah. She will tell you about it.
All right, I'll just come over there. Give me one moment. So what about, what is this thing?
Like for wedding, especially Malay wedding, all Malay wedding, they have this. Because it signifies for beautiful everything, beautiful bride especially. And these are the colorful, they call bunga manga. That's what they call it.
Bunga manga.
Bunga manga. Yeah.
Bunga manga.
Bunga manga.
I'm learning so many new things today.
You want to see that's me 31 years ago. My wedding with my late husband. This Australian.
Right.
Died unfortunately 16 years ago. We can have a look, yeah. That was me. Real me. Got married and we changed 10 costume. The wedding take 3 days and I had 10 costume change. Which is I got 3 wedding albums, but I only can bring 1, no space.
I thought only Indian weddings went on for so many days and they changed so many outfits.
My goodness. 3 weddings, 3 days, 10 costumes.
And 1 man, right?
1 man, touch wood, he died of stage 4 cancer. That's it. He's 1 and only man I got married to. And I got 2 beautiful daughters, 1 daughter and 1 son. Beautiful, that's it. You have to look there if you want.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Fauzia. I have learned so many fascinating things today. I cannot believe that a Chinese and Indian wedding was called a chitty wedding in Malaysia, is called a chitty wedding. The dolls are dressed absolutely beautiful. Some pictures there, as you can see, from Fauzia's wedding 31 years ago. Philippine stall, and I have with me the lovely Feli, Margie and Wayne. Wayne, before I go to the ladies for a change, I want to compliment you first and just say that what you're wearing is so beautiful. So is this a traditional outfit?
Yes, it's called Barong Tagalog. Yes.
Maybe, can you say that a bit slower for the camera?
Barong Tagalog. It's a Barong Tagalog and purely embroidered. This is our traditional, they use for wedding or multicultural event, for citizenship, mostly formal events, but we're actually modernizing it, so it's not just for the special event, but so we can wear it like in the office or any day you want to wear. Like the bolero as well. So this
I love what you're wearing too.
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
It's beautiful. And what else do you have at the stall today?
So
hi, I'm Maje from Pinoy Collective. So I designed and concept with this one. It's a Filipino themed giftware and homewares. So I'm promoting how funky is our culture and it can be colorful and And I have here some of the traditional fans. It's made of natural materials from the Philippines. And see how the colors, so all the funky colors there. Thank you. And we have here some of the Filipino mangoes. And the candles is made of kapis. It's made of the special shells. That's the traditional homewares in the Philippines too.
Beautiful. Thank you so much for your time today and being a part of this expo. Is this expo everything that you imagined it would be?
Yes, I think it's actually very inspiring to see the multicultural in one roof, and this is in Brisbane City Hall, which is an iconic Brisbane venue. We had our Filipino Excellence Award here in April, and having the multicultural in one room, it's very inspiring. Kudos to the organizer of this event. Yes.
Absolutely. I think we should convey that to Abhishek, who is the organizer of this event. Thank you so much. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you. The Sudanese stall with Shahrazad and Khadija. You guys look very, very beautiful in your, these are your traditional outfits?
Yes.
All right, so just walk us through, if you can just show us what you got on display and what it represents.
Of course. So first we have like the henna stuff that we do for the bride. So it's like her bridal shower stuff. We also have like some traditional perfumes and stuff like that. We also make these for the bride to give to her as a gift. This is all like jewelry and stuff like that that we also give to her or the husband and stuff like that. And this is the stuff that we wear. We also have over here like coffee stuff and tea, and this is how we make it in Sudan. These are all traditional headpieces, just like this one.
for the bride at her bridal shower. Yeah. This is all just like our little teacups to drink coffee. And this is also like how we pour the coffee and stuff like that. And yeah, do you wanna?
And then on this side, these are our typical garments that the woman would wear. Some of the flashier ones you'd expect the bride to wear, and the more simple ones, like most married women, if you're not married, you expect to see these at our weddings, parties, bridal showers. These are some men's options up here. And then yeah, these are just more traditional clothing that you would see us wearing all the time. And then yeah, that's pretty much it.
That's wonderful. Honestly, I think it's really hard to put culture in just one stall, but you guys have done a fabulous job by showcasing a little bit of your traditional functions, your weddings, what the bride does, what the groom does, what people wear. So wonderful. And once again, you guys look fabulous. Are you having a good time at the expo today, and is it everything that you thought it would be?
I'm actually having an amazing time, you know, exploring and looking at other cultures. There's so many different types of cultures here that are like so different from mine. So it's really amazing to see all these people come together and, you know, bring a little piece from their country and stuff like that. I like that a lot. Thank you.
Wonderful. It is wonderful to have so many cultures under one roof. I'm glad you guys are having a good time. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.